On the 6th of June 2024, Bindas Aim from Umden village in Ribhoi district, Meghalaya, embarked on a hunger strike in front of the main secretariat in Shillong to push for the reconstruction of the Nongpo Umden Sonapur road, which she claims has been in a dismal state for the past 15 years, causing significant commuting hardships for locals. SAIM has stated that she will persist with her hunger strike indefinitely unless the state government addresses her demands. She arrived in Shillong early Thursday morning, displaying a placard to kick off her protest.
Ele yalan yang hang tangan song lek pen yang song hang tungan song lada ti on ban song ya ha merten magyong aklai ban song ha merten magyong lada tin aja kaya ngang ne ha le song ya ha merten ngaklai ban song tang na banta kajing dawa kajunga kadai ban long.
Following this, Bindas Aim was relocated by district authorities to the additional secretariat parking lot to continue her demonstration.
Namar kimsha bangan syong hang ne hakmat jong sekretariat hang ne ha get jong sekretariat kimsha tiana kaliang jong kine ki pulit gila ong yang amenta banding syong hapo additional kamli lei lada kimsha ban syong neru lada ki ai ke jaka yang hang nong no baki ai nganga kulai ban syong hang ta hadu ba ka sarkar kan dapan sngap ya ki jingkwa ke jonga nga nadu mene bawan namar bangawan tang marwe ondon gi babut yang thiyo I hang ne ngawan bek marwe nagata gadau nga syong hang ne hakamat jong ne sekretariat henre long ki na kaliang jong ki kim ailat yang abangan syong ne ngakulai
ki ai daw e people ki ai pinsa
kiwit yang haba kiwit yang hang ne habangan syong ne habar nung balei ti kim ai yang abangan syong na hang te hapo ha phalau jong sekretariat lada kiwit sabar balik ki mailat yang abangan syang kam te apo jong sekretariat
ya hadis na sekretariat banyak habiat surat